Welcome to today's fun little project. Power steering leaks. They are the bane of my existence with this car. I think this is the third power steering leak I've had since I've owned it. So here we go. The original pump, well, it's not the original pump, that's a brand new pump. On my original reservoir, the reservoir ended up being what was leaking. So that is why you see it in a tub. I purchased this off a Legacy, 95 Legacy, so this is a 95 Impreza. So I figured everything would work, and it did. So that reservoir worked for a little while, and now we have a leak, which is fun, because this is going to be the third leak I've done on this. I got this reservoir from it's brand new, from a 2.5 RS. We're going to try this out. Add it to this new pump here. I got new O-rings, I've got new bolts, I've got new crush washers. So we're gonna try and see if we can make that work on that new pump there. And if we can, great. This is a new line, return line, that should work with the new reservoir, or at least according to CarQuest. So we're gonna give that a try and see what we end up with. And hopefully we'll be back on the road. I know doing these power steering pumps is kind of a pain in the ass because of the bleeding process to get the bubbles out of the left and right, so it takes a little while to get right. Sorry, I'm smacking mosquitoes while I'm out here. It's really buggy out tonight. Alright, let's give this a try, and I will update you when I am finished.